5 things to consider before buying a room AC for your home. Dear friends, buying a room air conditioner is a long-term investment, so choosing the right one is very important. Before purchasing an AC for your home, there are 5 key factors you should always consider. First, check the room size. An AC that is too small will struggle to cool the room, while an oversized unit will consume more electricity than necessary. Choose the correct tonnage based on your room dimensions for efficient cooling. Second, look at the energy efficiency rating. Higher star-rated AC may cost more initially, but they can significantly reduce your electricity bills over the years. A 5-star AC is often a smart investment for regular use. Third, consider the type of AC. Window AC is generally more affordable and easier to install, while split AC offer quieter operation, better aesthetics, and improved cooling performance. Choose the option that best suits your space and budget. Fourth, pay attention to important features. Inverter technology, sleep mode, air purification filters, and smart controls can improve comfort while helping save energy. Finally, evaluate after-sales service and warranty support. A reliable brand with a strong service network can save you from future maintenance hassles and repair costs. By considering room size, energy efficiency, AC type, features, and service support, you can make a smarter purchase and enjoy comfortable cooling for many years to come. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.